Story of Zamzam. Prophet Ibrahim was from the family of idol worshippers, but soon he realized that Allah is the only one to worship. Therefore, with his command, he went to Makkah with his wife and son, Bibi Hajara and Ismail. Makkah was a barren land, without water, without trees, without people. When he reached there, he left water and few dates with his wife. She realized that he is leaving with the will of Allah and laid her trust in Allah. Soon she ran out with the water and the dates, and Prophet Ismail was thirsty. So she ran between the two hills, Safa and Marwa, 7 times. While she was looking for water, she saw that the land Ismail was kicking while crying has produced water. This water is known as Zamzam. After this, the land of Makkah was not anymore a barren land. People started coming in, became a very important city for business.